What if I told you there's a way to get a flood of low-cost, high-quality traffic and earn a passive income at the same time? Let's talk about Traffic Blaster Pro. This isn't just about getting traffic. It's a complete business model. You can get started for just $1. Yes, $1 for your first month to test it all out. It's super easy. Step 1. Submit your link. Step 2. Get your done-for-you sales funnel. Step 3. Promote your new business. The affiliate program is a game changer, paying out 50% recurring commissions. Just get 2 people to join, and your own traffic could be free for life. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business, and this is one of the best and most affordable ways to get it. Check out the link below to see what all the excitement is about. Thanks for watching.